Look, saving your first $5,000 feels pointless because it doesn't look impressive. You see people online talking about 6 figures, and suddenly your progress feels small. But here's the thing, your first $5,000 matters more than the next $50,000. Over 60% of Americans can't handle a $1,000 emergency. So if you invested $5,000, you already beat the hardest part. And here's what most people don't realize. The money isn't the win. That first $5,000 rewires your brain. Investing stops feeling risky and starts feeling normal. It's like the gym. The first week is painful. After that, momentum takes over. $5,000 won't make you rich, but neither will $50,000 without consistency. Automate your investing. Even $100 a month. Progress beats perfection. Your first $5,000 proves you can do this. Follow NIRU'S Money Zone, because this is where wealth actually starts. And this is why your first $10,000 feels even more different.